Hello, Roger Stolting with Oz here to share with you on Legend's Versatherm Snap-Fit Radiant Heat Panel Systems. Versatherm panels can go either onto concrete or onto a building subflooring system with carpeting, floating floor systems, hardwood, or tile over the top. Panels are pre-insulated and designed to be installed as a floating system with little or no cutting required. As with all heating systems, the system design is key. We recommend using the Versatherm Project Calculator. Once the system is designed, the LoopCAD panel layout will map out and guide your entire installation. Starting at or near the manifold, begin laying out the insulated and return panels. Note the panels have nubs designed to interlock the panel systems together and will keep the system aligned. Once panels are installed, it is recommended that your piping loops be marked out using colored markers. Ideally, using an uncoiler, start at or near the manifold, snapping the tubing into the grooves, following the LoopCAD layout. Once tubing is installed, pressure test the system. After the pressure test, install the protective covers on the panels using 2-inch packaging tape. Then it's a matter of infilling the balance of the flooring area using 3/4-inch plywood. For more information on Versatherm's Radiant Panel Systems, please contact your Legend rep.